Here's my 95 Honda Civic LX with the 1.6 liter single overhead cam 4-cylinder. And it has certainly seen better days. For some reason the previous owner threw some electrical tape on the spark plug wire. The fan has been hot wired. It's a giant mess. But it was cheap, gets awesome gas mileage, but the downside is the engine needs somewhat of a rebuild. It's got a blown head gasket. But the purpose of this video is to locate where the codes are. So I was trying to find the cylinder head code, and this engine is just filthy. I mean, there's oil everywhere. And after some digging around, I noticed that right here there's a tag, and it took some time to locate. Sprayed some cleaner on it, some brake clean. And there's a number right there. And then also, I believe behind this exhaust manifold heat shield there's another number up here, but this was totally filthy. Now I also want to find the engine code. Now that I don't know for certain where it's at, so we'll figure this out together. I think it's right down here. Hope I lied. The head code is actually right there. It's the PM number. So you do have to take off the three 12mm bolts to off the heat shield to get to this code. But the PM number right there, that is the code for your head. Not sure what this, where'd it go? This number's for, but I know that's the engine block number.